Here we're supposed to write the following in scientific notation with only two significant figures. I'm going to take it stepwise. I'm going to write scientific notation first, and then write these guys with two significant figures. So let's write this 5,100,000 out. And remember, the way I do this is I create a decimal place, and then I move this until I create a ones position right there, okay? And that would be 5.1. And let's go ahead and add all those zeros in there, assuming they're significant figures. I think I messed that up by 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we want to put times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I moved that. And remember, it's going to be a positive exponent because this is a big number or a large number, right? So for large numbers, you want to have a positive exponent, not a negative 6 here. Okay? Now we need to write this with two significant figures. So what we need to do is round this down, truncate all those, and so it would be 5.1 times 10 to the 6. Okay. Let's look at 26,000. Invent the decimal place. We're going to move that to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that would be 2.6000 times 10 to the 4 is a big number as well, so it's a positive 4 there. We don't put the plus. To round this to two sig figs, we just chop off those zeros, and it's going to be 2.6 times 10 to the 4th power. And I forgot the units. That should be seconds there. And in the problem prior, it should be grams. Okay, always have your units in your final answer. This next problem, we have 400,000. Add your decimal place. Count how many times you need to move this to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's going to be 4.00000 times 10 to the 5th. Remember, for big numbers, you need positive exponents. And we want to round that to two sig figs. So we want to chop off the other zeros here. And so that would be 4.0 times 10 to the 5th power. And the units there would be meters. Okay. In this next problem, we have a decimal place already existing. We want to count how many times to move that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would write 8.2 times 10 to the minus 4. Remember, for small numbers, you're going to have negative exponents. This is less than 1. It's a very tiny number. So we have a negative exponent. And if we want to round that off to 2, well, it already has two sig figs. So let's just add the units of kilograms, which is kg. Box that all up nicely, and that's our answer. I hope this video helped you practice and check your answers, and thanks for watching.